Hi everybody, and we're here at Red Lion Hotel. Look at it. So beautiful, right, Gretel?
Yes.
Let's read this huge, giant. Oh, it's not a book. I thought it was a book. Is that cool?
Yeah, I bet. How hot is it down there right now?
Via Las Villa. Okay, I can't pronounce that. I don't speak whatever this is. Okay, there's the books. And a huge map. Oregon and Washington. Okay. I thought it was a book.
Next time. Jeez.
Okay. So moving on.
Put it in your bag. Don't put it in the floor.
Okay. So sorry about that. Wait. And oh, I hear a song. Adele. I like Adele. Is there a fireplace to feel so cold? Yep, there is. And it's not burned. Sad. Sad. Okay, so
Do you want the top part of this?
so excited. Yeah, we're so excited to see our hotel. Is it? So what should I do now? Oh, I'm gonna post these on YouTube now, so I'll see you later for now. Bye.